We invest a lot of money in technology, the blockchain technology. And the reason I'm going to add that piece of technology is because today it's about $5 billion in sales between companies that are involved in blockchain technologies. But according to different analysts, we might be by 2030 at about $3 trillion or more, which is the entire output of, say, England. What's happening there, to try and explain it in a simple terms, you have a ledger that is operated by software that is shared by many, many participants that are a part of that ledger. And the main idea is to cut out the middlemen, a middleman like Facebook. Let people socialize between themselves, peer-to-peer. That's wonderful. Imagine we can cut out another middleman, Uber, letting individuals connecting with one another without having Uber being the middle, making money on both sides. However, we need to start talking about it, and the two big players in that space that today control 51% of the market is IBM and Microsoft. They themselves did about, I think, north of $700 billion in that space. IBM alone employs 1,500 people that work specifically on blockchain technology.
Yeah, when I was at that conference last year, I talked to the IBM people. They were putting a major effort into they looked at where they could apply this thing across the board, and they decided the best way to test it would be with shipping companies on the water. In order to keep track of where things are, there's a lot of intermediaries. The information gets lost sometimes, and it takes a long time to settle transactions that happen when you ship things by water. And this way, if they use the blockchain, it's where everything is at instantaneously. And not only that, but the security on blockchain is way higher than any other way you could do it.